In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unable to send invitation in Meta Business Suite. If you're trying to add a new person to your business and the invitation just won't go through, there are a few key things you need to check. I'll walk you through them step by step so you can quickly figure out what's blocking you and get those invites sending again. First, open Meta Business Suite in your browser. Make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook account that actually owns or manages the business you're working on. This is important because if you're in the wrong account, you won't see the right business settings or the people you expect. Once you're in Meta Business Suite, look for the settings option. This is usually in the left-hand menu. Click on Settings to open up all the controls for your business. This is where Meta keeps everything related to permissions, roles, and access. So almost anything to do with invitations will be controlled from here. Inside settings, the first thing you want to look at is your own permissions under the people section. Find your profile in the list of people and check what level of access you have. You need to have full control, often called an admin with full control, in order to send invitations to others. If you don't see full control next to your name, that's most likely why you can't invite anyone. In that case, you'll need to ask an existing full control admin on the business to upgrade your permissions before you'll be able to send invitations yourself. If you do already have full control and you still can't send invitations, the next thing to check is whether your own email address is verified as a full control admin. Go into your profile details in business settings and look for any alerts about verifying your email. If Meta is waiting for you to confirm your email address, that can quietly block certain actions, including inviting new people. Make sure you complete that verification step, then refresh Meta Business Suite and try sending the invite again. Next, double check the email address of the person you're trying to invite. It sounds simple, but a small typo, an extra space, or using the wrong email can cause the invitation to fail. Carefully retype it, and if possible, confirm with the person what email they use for their Facebook or work account that they'll use to accept the invite. If you've confirmed your full control permissions, verified your email, and checked the invitee's email and it still doesn't work, then it's time to reach out to Meta support. Inside Meta Business Suite, look for the Help or Support section. From there, you can usually contact Meta through chat or email, explain that you're a full control admin, and describe the issue with sending invitations. They can check for account-specific or system-related problems on their side and help you resolve anything you can't see in your settings.